Do you know what sounds good right now? The Everything Burger, where I have to find everything around the corner and the fridge. So I put them in one burger like a regular chef. But first, we need to costume up. Yeah! Transformation today! Okay guys, now if you guys need a burger, of course, you guys need to have buns. But not those kind of buns. I mean the bread buns. Now, since I don't have any buns, all I have is the bread from Walmart that costs $1. And it's hard, it's old. That's how old it is. I'm still gonna eat that though. Okay guys, now since we have the bread or the buns for the burger, now we're just gonna add regular things inside the burger. So now I got the regular things. I got the Smucker jam and cheese. I don't touch them rightly, and yeah, these Bell cheese for extra flavor. Now we need to put them together. Awesome. Hey guys, now I'm gonna split this in half so I can put all of these ingredients inside the Everything Burger. What? I don't like you. Do this the right way. Just a good jam. I don't want this one. Just gonna spread it onto the. Remember to just, if it doesn't broke apart, just put the bread and just leave it open. You know, just spread open the stuff that you want to, like the saucings, like jelly, and since it's the Everything Burger, we have to put everything. This is ketchup, and I have to. You can never tell the difference between jam and ketchup at the same time. But later you just have to, you know, put the cheese. There's your main. If you guys want to add some more stuff to it, you guys. Okay guys, now since we got the main part of the sandwich, we can add some toppings to this. We can add some Cheetos. I prefer Cheetos. And then some Doritos, because it's the Cheetos, Cheetos, Junior. Okay guys, since if you guys are gonna add extra like dessert toppings, remember to just slide in the whole thing, but remember to be careful of the toppings. And if you want, you guys can like crunch it in, you know? Because you guys can. Or else your mom will kick you because you made a mess on the whole table. Yeah. You guys added the toppings on the plate, you can add some ice cream. Now, if you guys want ice cream to it, you guys can. But since I don't touch this ice cream, since we don't have any more root beer floats, oh no, it's soft. Okay. We can just add it on top. The Everything Burger has to be everything around the fridge, and you guys can add anything you want. Trust your imagination. Mostly, if you Love the imagination. Just don't say it's stupid. Just say that it's awesome. Mm. Now that you guys added the topping, it's time to put some extra dessert and stuff. If you guys want like flan or like fruit cup, just put it next to there. Like it's awesome. If you guys want some more, just, you know, if you're on a diet, mostly like me, just stay there like a diet. This is gonna be fun to eat, isn't it? Remember, guys, if you guys really want to make this, you guys can like send it to me so I know how proud you are. Just send it straight to Instagram. Just saying, this is my burger, hashtag the everything burger. If you guys want, you guys can take a selfie too. Because that's how awesome you guys are. And yeah, it's always my 2nd anniversary, so that means this will be my birthday cake. Remember, kids, to always clean up your cleaning area. I mean, your cooking area before you guys eat. Thank you. Okay, guys. Just look at this wonderful plate of awesomeness. And yep, we got a little MOG juice next to us. And yep, remember, just eat healthy, you know? Really good. Just stop from the top. Delicious. You know, so tasty. Get them dairy on, you know. That's what it tastes. Ooh, really tastes good, you know? The Doritos, the calories, the flavors are. I like that. Thanks for watching. Eat this later. Remember, you guys like and subscribe. Remember to like this video if you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to the whole thing. And remember, you guys can check out my Instagram at the Leo Shows at the end, no spaces. And yeah, follow me, and you guys can see behind the scenes, and you guys can see the post. You guys can see like a small glimpse of the video without being posted. And yeah, you guys can see upcoming videos that I might think through, or the Leo games. I could be like asking you guys, what can I play? Tastes better. Better than the macaroni and cheese from recently. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching.